Good morning. Today I've come to Curbar Edge. I'm now at Curbar Gap car park, and I've decided to come again this year because I shot a bit last year and now the heather's out this year again and it's absolutely amazing. We've got a good few days, so I thought I'd treat you all to this. So if you're coming from Chesterfield, it's going to take you 15 to 20 minutes depending on the traffic. Straight up Old Brampton, just a straight road, keep going, bear to the right a little bit, but then straight on past the crossroads. And yeah, so you got a few options here. There are 3 edges close by. You got Curbar Edge. This is my go-to if I'm wanting to do something, if I just want to get out into the peak. Because it's only 15 or 20 minutes, I can come up here and just get up onto the edge within 10 minutes from here. Have a really good think about things, you know, if that's what I need to do. But very close by, use this as a car park. There is another one down that road there, a bit further down. If you use this as a car park, you can also go down Baslow Edge, which is just opposite over there. There's also Wellington Monument and an Eagle Stone, and you might come across some Highland cattle if you go there as well. So that's another option. From Curbar Edge, it goes on to Froggatt Edge, and there is a little stone circle called Stoke Flat. So you've got a lot of options here just from this car park. So let's go and check it out. So there's Baslow Edge on the other side of the road and the Eagle Stone in the distance. And from Baslow Edge behind me, you can see bits of Chatsworth, especially the fountain. And Curbar Edge is where I chose to film my video for my single Only One Way 2 years ago with film director Glenn Bolton. And the heather wasn't out at that time, but it was still beautiful.